Hi, I'm about to give you guys a lash tutorial. These are from Janelle Lashes. I got the whole kit. It comes with the lashes, the remover, the bond and seal, everything you need actually. I'm removing the set I had on. Those are from Janelle Lashes too also. The remover they have comes right off, like it doesn't rip none of your lashes. You see? Grab your bond and seal, apply the bond to your natural lash. This is the set I'm using. First, I use 18, 18, 18. Then I use a 14. And then the rest I go in with 2 12s and a 10. Boom. Now I do my other ones. They're done. I wanted to try something different, so I added spikes. I used a 15 spike, another 15, another 15, and I used 2 17s at the ends. So T, right? I love your lashes. Now I'm going with the next layer. I used the same thing again at 18, 3 18s, 1 14, 2 12s, and 1 10. Now I start the bottoms. They're easy to apply. You can just watch and you can just see it's like really self-explanatory. Now you apply the seal so they won't get stuck to each other. You don't have to put that much. They have the best bond and seal, baby. You'll be lasting for 2 weeks. Water resistant, by the way. If you guys want the same set, the link is below. The kit comes with everything.